morning, wonderful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where you hear Cocomelon in the back and a screaming baby now. Today is a random Thursday and husband took the day off work. I am finishing up work right now and we're going to be deer hunting tonight. I don't know, I haven't killed something in so long where I feel like I'm deprived of it. And I also haven't actually shot or killed anything with a rifle before. So that's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee real quick. Let me see. But yeah, my face looked busted. I'm not trying to look good in this video at all. And also I'm like, by the way, if you guys don't know, I'm like 8 months pregnant, so whew, my head looks like a little potato, inflated potato. Literally back-to-back client calls this morning. Wouldn't trade it for the world though. And then we're gonna go freeze our ass off later. Woohoo! I did not bring my camera stand. Okay, it's currently 2 o'clock. Well, actually 2:30. But oh my god, my pants, guys. Do you see how big I am? Like, okay. I hope I'm able to get everything on footage, but also I didn't bring my camera because I didn't have a memory card with it. And yeah, so we're just gonna film it with my iPhone. And there's no tripod. This is how unprepared I am. But we're still gonna rock and roll it. Hopefully we'll see something move today. It's actually on the warmer end today. Tomorrow morning it's gonna snow. So if we don't get anything tomorrow, today, hopefully we'll see some movement early tomorrow morning. Yeah, good old Stan. Gosh, and my boots stink so bad. Like, you know the 450 is pretty like short and stubby compared to the 6.5.
Yeah, the 450 is a wood gun.
And the 6.5 is like, it has a longer barrel, right?
Mm-hmm.
People are gonna say some shit because we still have the sticker on. No, you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna leave it there.
I don't even know why it's on there.
Well, that's what happened to the other gun, and people were like, "You never fucking used it." That's that's why. Is my deer still here?
Close.
Is it here? You see it?
Mm-hmm. Watch this side too. They're coming from a run, but there's literally deers everywhere.
Okay. asshole. It looks like he has a lot to think about. Oh shit, he just flew. In the deep depths of Colorado, where we barely have signal. You know, what are we gonna do when we go hunting out there and there's no signal at all? And all we're stuck with is like carving out wood sticks. You know. Deer. Where? To the right. And just past us.
How big?
Right there. Good size.
Get down.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's here.
Look.
Right.
No. That's not a yearling.
You just said that because you want to shoot it.
No, that's not a yearling though.
Is it still there? That was definitely a yearling though.
That was not a yearling.
Babe.
That was huge.
No, what?
That was massive. Because I haven't seen a deer in so long.
That was a yearling.
I would totally shoot it.
I know, but that was a yearling. Trust me.
It cannot be a yearling.
Bro, that was a yearling.
I don't know. You need to fix your eyesight or some shit. That was ginormous.
Oh my god.
Wait, did I just see something move over there?
Probably did. They're moving now.
Wait, check the shooting lane.
You just gotta look over.
That deer probably thought I was so stupid.
Just want to shoot.
Like, can't we just shoot them like right here?
Yeah, you can, but that was a yearling. I was looking for that big
That's
though.
not a yearling.
Bro, that was a yearling. I saw a clear picture.
I saw how clearly big it was.
Babe, you haven't seen a deer in person in a long time. You're just trigger. You're just trigger happy and hungry.
No. Oh,
Deer hunting's about patience. It's about patience. It's about not about hunting. It's about being out here.
God.
I literally told you to watch that side too.
I was looking at the fucking shooting lane, okay? I wouldn't expect it.
What?
No. Did you have you been looking at the left side?
I have. I've been glancing here over and over.
Well, I glanced and I saw her. That was such a good size. Trophy size. Might I add?
You are so hungry right now. That's the reason why I told you I never turn the heat on. I just stay frozen.
I'm so mad. I don't want to be patient. Oh.
Calm, just be patient. You already seen the move.
Please, please not have that be the only chance.
Someone just shot
To left, right?
behind us.
Oh, there goes the dogs.
Ooh la la. This pizza looks really good. We got nothing, but at least we got food.